Hey guys, it's Mike, and today I'm just showing you my mini bike. It was a regular Baja. It was red. I painted it blue, then to black. So yeah, I know it's crappy looking, but you know, hey, it's a mini bike. It's gonna get beat up. Anyways, kickstand broke, so I use this as a tie-off to hold it up. I had a regular 97cc or whatever it is, 98cc Baja engine, and then I got the upgrade to the 212 Predator engine from Harbor Freight. I clocked it over at about 52 downhill, but I wasn't even pulling the throttle all the way. And I'll get a speed test later. Let me just show you it running. This can be a pain. Okay, that's not going to want to start since we're rolling downhill here. This is so annoying. It's not even funny. Yes, my bike just wants to freaking piss me off. Alright, so we'll start it off, and you'll be able to see a good view. And there goes the bike. Oh, it almost fell. Whatever. Safety first. Thanks for watching, guys.